Hi guys, how are you all doing? So you have seen the thumbnail already, so let's quickly get started. So trimming out what we have on our table is our basic sleeve, okay? So here is the front panel, the one we went in an half inch. Here is the back panel. So you open it this way, cut it this way, okay? So we have to quickly now find the length of our sleeve. It's 10 inches, but we are adding same allowance while transferring to the fabric, and it's just an illustration, okay? So for the extension, for the overlapping parts, let me please secure it. I'll be working with 4 inches. We try to work with 3 inches, okay? So place it this way and trace it. So these are fresh pattern paper. So cut it out this way. It's just the 4 inches width we'll be working with. So let me secure it properly. So trace it this way for a better view. So it's just the 4 inches width. So the length is our sleeve length. So this is the overlapping part. Now to the back piece, the back part of our sleeve is the cone part, okay? So this is the cone part. I'll also introduce fresh pattern. So if you place 6 into fold, you're having 3.58, 4 inches. So I'll be placing 9 inches, which is 4.5 inches into fold. So secure it this way as well. Excuse me. Place the 9 inches this way into fold. We're having 4.5 inches. So you cut it out this way, okay? So place it straight. I have to trace it to know this the length of our cone, that the extension. So place it to cross check. So I have to quickly blend it properly to have a straight line here, okay? So you fold it this way. So you're having 4.5 inches. So for the pointy cone, I will explain both. If it's straight, the dots line here is a straight one. For the pointy one, you step up with 1 inch or 1.5 inches. Okay. Now I'll be working with the pointy type. So I will cut it this way. It's into fold. You can see, two fold. So I will cut it to the pointy one, which is the 1 inch I step up with. The straight one is the dots line. So this is how it should look like when you are through. So now we have to clean now, find the midpoint of our length, at the length of our sleeve. You can see how it looks now, to create our curve. Yes, we'll place it this way first to make sure that of the same length, okay? So I'll find the midpoint, which is 5 inches, 5 inches here, to make a curve. Decide to use free hand this way, just a curve. So cut it out and then move over to our fabric. So if you are working for a client, make sure you add interfacing. So I'm adding same allowance 0.5 inch all around this way. See, notch the extension of the overlapping, place the back part, which is the cone part, 0.5 inch all around as well. Okay, notch the extension as well. So this is how it should look like. How to now take it to a sewing machine to join the center. You can see that the two side seam, yes, this way, and show you guys. So you guys can see we are done joining it. You can see how beautiful it looks. Place it properly. There is any unwanted part, trim it. Place it. So we'll be stitching on the notch that we made, the overlapping extension. So that's how to quickly place a pattern for better understanding. So the extension for the cone. So we stitch from this part, which will be this way, all around first, and turn it and show you guys. So you can see guys, we are done. So we stopped at the notch that we made, that is the extension on each piece. So notch it all around this way, give it a very nice press. So see the notch for a better view. So see the notch, I had to notch it deeper for a better view. You see, turn it this way to the right side, give it a very nice press. So you can see I'm done ironing. See how relaxed it is. But make sure your fabric is the same as your lining. Do not forget that. So this is it. So you have to place it so that you know the comb parts if you are confused. So now, see the notch, that pointy part is not that visible now. So we place it this way, stitch, and show you guys with an ½ inch. You can see we are done stitching it with an ½ inch. So we're going to turn it. Okay, see how beautiful it looks. Yes. See, notch it so it will relax properly, fit into us. So let's quickly move over to our dress form. So now we're over to our dress form. So the joint part, see, is the side seam. Yes, that is the armhole. So you place it. So this is how you should fix your sleeve. Okay, so the dress form is not at the same size with the sleeve, so I will just quickly insert it this way. But the main thing is the shoulder line, so just pay attention to the shoulder line. So this is it. Just fix your sleeve round your armhole. So the cone, you can see the shoulder line. So you flip the overlapping part this way, stitch as well all round. But do not forget to add interfacing. So you stitch to this part, the 4 inches overlapping. So this is how it should look like when you are done fixing your sleeve. So you can see, so you flip it this way, the comb part, you can see, so you use your needle to tack it. Okay, so the comb will meet with the overlapping this way, tack it. See how beautiful it looks. You can see, so it's the shoulder line, you see. So make sure you tack it, embellish it. Okay, so that is all for this tutorial. It's really simple guys. You can see how beautiful it looks. So Let's quickly now pin it this way as well. So I was taking the form already. Add your trims. Okay. All round. So the back view, you can see how beautiful it looks. So this is how it should look like when you're through. So let me quickly now introduce my trims. You can see, fix it this way. This part is optional. So guys, this is all for this tutorial. Please, if you find this so interesting, like, share. I love you all. Bye.